Once upon a time, there was a boy named John who didn't like to sleep. When his mom came and told him to go to bed, he didn't listen and refused to fall asleep. One day, John became very sick, and no medicine seemed to help him. And suddenly, Dr. Sleep came to help him, but the boy kept pushing him away.
I don't want to sleep. I won't.
Dr. Sleep gently said that he came to heal him. When you sleep, your body doesn't just rest and regain strength, it also heals itself. The doctor gently stroked the boy's head, and John felt calm, warm, and safe. Then he covered John with a warm blanket and began singing a lullaby. John relaxed and fell into a peaceful sleep. In his dream, he was walking through the forest, feeling the warm sun and breathing in the fresh, healing air. He chased butterflies and felt incredibly happy and free. It felt so wonderful that he had finally listened to Dr. Sleep. When John woke up, he felt strong, refreshed, and full of energy. He realized that he was almost completely healthy and became very happy. They hugged and John was very grateful.
And I can also show you cartoons. Would you like that?
Of course I want to.
Then close your eyes and drift into a sweet fairy tale.
John listened again and fell into another beautiful dream. This time, he was walking in the park and eating ice cream. When John finally woke up, he realized he was completely healthy again. He looked at the empty space where his visitor had been and made a promise. From now on, he would go to bed on time and never complain again, because he learned that sleep is not only for rest, but also for healing and becoming strong again.